Exercise number 15.2. Unless stated otherwise, take pi value 22 divided by 7. First question, a solid is in the shape of a cone. A solid is in the shape of a cone. This is the cone. Yes or no? Okay. Cone standing on a hemisphere. Which is standing on a hemisphere. Standing on a hemisphere with both the radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of cone, radius of hemisphere equal to 1 centimeter. Radius of cone or what? Hemisphere is equal to 1 centimeter. Then, and the height of the cone is equal to the radius. Height of the cone is equal to h is equal to radius. What is the radius value? 1 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Find the volume of the solid. We need to find out volume of solid. Volume of solid is nothing but what? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Here we cannot take outer surfaces, inner surfaces, total surfaces, lateral surfaces, curved surfaces. No. We have to take only the volumes. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. That's it. What is the volume of cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi r square common. We need to take pi r square common. Therefore 1 by 3 as it is, h as it is, plus 2 by 3 as it is, r is the single value which is remaining. Okay. This is equal to, what is pi value? 22 divided by 7. What is radius value? 1. Okay. 1 by 3. What is the height value? 1. Plus 2 by 3. What is the radius? 1. This is equal to 22 into 1. 22 divided by 7 in bracket. 1 by 3 into 1. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is equal to 22 divided by 7. 3 LCM 3 only. Correct? 2 plus 1 is 3. Cancel. Answer will be 22 divided by 7. That is nothing but what? Pi only. 22 by 7 is nothing but what? Pi only. Pi centimeter cube. It is volume. Pi centimeter cube. Pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7. Right. In terms of pi at ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲ. Second question, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached to its two ends. Okay. Rachel is an engineering student. She need to make a model which is in the shape of cylinder, two cones which are stuck at the either ends of a cylinder. Two cones, one cylinder. Cones are attached at the ends of the cylinder. Understood? What we need to find out? The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. What is the diameter? Diameter D is equal to 3 centimeter. And the total length of the model is 12 centimeter. Correct? Okay. Then if each cone has height of 2 centimeter, what is the height of the cone? H1 is equal to 2 centimeter. It is also H1 only, 2 centimeter. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. That means 8 centimeter is the height of the cylinder. H2 is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. That means height of cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter. Height of cone is equal to 2 centimeter. This is H1, this is H2. Then diameter is 3 centimeter. Then radius of cone, radius of cone,
1.5.
radius of cone is also equal to radius of cylinder is equal to 3 divided by 2 centimeter, that is 1.5 centimeter. 3 by 2 or 1.5 centimeter. Okay, find the volume of air containing in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. Outer model, inner model same adavanta tilkodri anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Assume ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. We need to find out how much air is present inside this model, that is volume. We need to find out volume of air present in model, present in model is equal to volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of cone, correct? Volume of cone. This is equal to, what is the volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h. Height of the cylinder, h2 is there na, so I will be taking h2 plus 2 into, what is the volume of cone? 1 divided by 3 pi r square h. H is nothing but what? h1. Okay, pi r square is common here. Pi r square in bracket, what is h2 plus 2 by 3 h1. What is pi value? 22 divided by 7. What is the radius? 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. 2 times because it is square. In bracket, what is the height of the cylinder? 8 plus 2 by 3. What is the height of the cone? 2. Okay, this is equal to 2 ones are 2 11s are 3 3s are 9 9 11s are 99 7 2s are 14 in bracket. Okay, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 2s are 4 3 1s are 3. Okay, this is equal to 99 divided by 14 into 28 divided by 3. 14 ones are 14 twos are 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 threes are. This is equal to 33 threes are 66 centimeter cube is the volume of air present in the model, which is made by an engineering student named as Rachel. Third question, very important question. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck at the ends. Okay, the gulab jamun is in the shape of a cylinder and there are 2 hemispheres which are stuck at the ends of the cylinder. Understood? What is the total length? Total length is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter gulab jamun. 5 centimeter gulab jamun. L is equal to. Then with 2 hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter and the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. What is the diameter here? Diameter D is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Then the radius is half of 2.8. That is 1.4 centimeter. This is the radius. Yes or no? This is what? 1.4 centimeter. And it is also 1.4 centimeter. Then what is the height of the cylinder? 5 minus 1.4 minus 1.4. 2.2. Correct? 2.2. Height of the cylinder H is equal to 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter. Look here. Height of cylinder is equal to 5 minus 2.8 centimeter. This is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Then the radius of cylinder is equal to radius of hemisphere. Both are same. Is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Radius is 1.4 centimeter and the height of the cylinder is 2.2 centimeter. We need to find out first the volume of single jamun and the 30% of single jamun into 45. Understood? Volume of single jamun into 30% of single jamun into 45. Sugar syrup present in 45 jamuns is equal to 30% of 1 jamun into how much? 45. Correct? Yes or no? 30% of 1 jamun into 45. Correct? Okay. This is equal to 30% is nothing but what? 30 divided by 100. In bracket 1 jamun. What is the? Okay, 30% of volume of 1 jamun. 30% of volume of 1 jamun into 45. Correct? 30%, 30 divided by 100, bracket as it is. Volume of 1 jamun is nothing but what? Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere. Bracket complete. Into how much? 45. 0, 0 gets cancelled. This is equal to 3 divided by 10 in bracket. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h plus 2 into what is volume? The volume of this hemisphere, volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then into 45. This is equal to 3 divided by 10. What is the common here? Into pi r square is the common. Bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ h plus 4 by 3 r. ಯಾಕೆ ಒಂದು r square ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು, ಬರೀ r ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು. Understood? Okay. 4h plus 4 by 3 r into 45 into ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 45 ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 45. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 2s 10, 5 9s 45. Okay, 9 3s 27 in divided by 2 into what is the pi value? 22 divided by 7. What is the radius here? 1.4 into 1.4 in bracket. What is the height of the cylinder? 2.2 plus 4 divided by 3. What is the radius of the cylinder or the cone? Sorry, hemisphere. 1.4. Correct? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 9 3s 27 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Next comes 7 1s. Look here. ಇಲ್ಲ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, another step. Wait. Another step. This is equal to 27 divided by 2 1s 2 0.7 ಬರಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ. 27 divided by ಏನು ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, divided by 7. 27 divided by 7 into 22 into 0.7 divided by 10. ಇದು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ? 7 into 1.4 divided by 10 ಅಂದರೆ 14 divided by 10. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ 100. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7 ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ 2.2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 3 22s 66 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 14 4s 56 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ divided by 3. Okay. Then 7 1s 7 2s 2 1s 2 5s. Okay. This is equal to what are the values?
27.
Wait. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಟ್ ಹೊಡಿಲ್ಲ. 2 5s 10, 2 11s. Correct? Okay. 27 10s 270. 27 11s 297. How much? 297. ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಇಂಟು 7 divided by 5 5 is 25 ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಕಾಣತದ in bracket 6.6 plus 5.6 okay ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ 12.2 divided by 3 12.2 divided by 3 3 ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಇದು ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಹಾಂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಲುಕ್ then this is equal to 3 1s are 3 3 9s are 27 3 9s are 27 cancel what is 99 into 7 ಇದು 99 ಅಲ್ಲ 100 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊ 100 into 7 700 minus 7 693 693 divided by 25 into 12.2 correct okay this is equal to multiplication ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡು 12 3s are 36 1 0 360 3 2s are 6 360 plus 6 366 carry 36 understood then 12 9s are 108 1080 9 2s are 18 1080 plus 18 1098 1098 1104 1134 1134 next 12 6 are 72 720 720 12 732 732 832 842 845 845 divided by 25 1 bit bindu 1 bit bindu this is equal to 25 divided ಮಾಡೋಣ 25 3s are 75 yes or no 25 3s are 75 9 remaining 95 25 3s are 75 20 remaining 4 24 sorry 204 not 25 8s are 200 point 25 1s are 25 then 21 25 8s are centimeter cube 338.18 centimeter cube is the volume of sugar syrup present in 45 Nimai gulab jamuns. Right now. Question: a pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions of okay there is a cubical or cuboidal wooden block in which 4 conical depressions how much 4 conical depressions for the pen stand okay pen stand ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ we need to find out the remaining volume of the solid remaining volume of the solid volume of remaining solid volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cuboid correct minus 4 into volume of cone yes or no look here volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone correct volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone surface area ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ okay then to hold the pens the diameter sorry the dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter that is length is equal to 15 centimeter and the breadth is equal to 10 centimeter and the height is equal to 3.5 centimeter cone dimensions what is the height of the cone or the depression of the cone 1.4 centimeter is the depth and the radius is r is equal to 0.5 centimeter and the depth is what is the depth here depth is nothing but what height is equal to 1.4 centimeter height of the cone is nothing but what depth of the cone height of the cone is nothing but what depth of the cone that is 1.4 centimeter and the radius of the cone is 0.5 centimeter what is the formula volume of remaining solid is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of cone. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, minus 4 into volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is also h. Take h1. This is h2. h1 h2. What is the value of length? 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 divided by 3 into what is pi value? Same, 22 divided by 7. What is the radius? 0.5 into 0.5. What is the height of the cone? 1.4. Correct? 1.4 centimeter is the height. This is equal to 3.5 tens are 35. Okay, 3.5 tens are 35. 15 into 35 minus 22 fours are 88 divided by 3 sevens are 21 into 0.5 is there na, 5 divided by 10 into 0.5 is nothing but what? 5 divided by 10 into 1.4 is nothing but what? 14 divided by 10. Correct? 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 ones are 7 threes are 5 ones are 5 twos are 2 ones are 2 44s are. Next 2 fives are 2 22s are. Next, this is equal to 35 15. 15 fives are 75. 15 threes are 45 plus 7 52 minus what is the upper value here? 22 divided by 15. Correct? This is equal to 525 minus 15 ones are 15. How many remaining? 7.70. 15 fours are 60. 10 remaining, 0.100. 15 six are 90. 10 remaining, 100. Then 15 six are same. Understood? Okay, this is equal to 523.534 centimeter cube is the answer. Fifth question, very important question. A vessel is in the form of a inverted cone. A vessel is in the form of what? Inverted cone. This is inverted cone. Okay. Then its height is 8 centimeter. Height h is equal to 8 centimeter. Shambhavi. Next, and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeter. What is the radius of top? R is equal to 5 centimeter. Which is open. Top is open. It is a vessel. Vessel means पात्रे, खाना बनाने का. ओके, इसके अंदर खाना नहीं बना सकते. अंडरस्टूड? फिर भी कुछ तो बना सकते हैं. ओके, 5 centimeter. It is filled with water up to brim. It is filled with water up to brim. Brim means upper end. Up to upper end. Okay, when lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter. This is a sphere. The radius of the sphere is 0.5 centimeter. Correct? Okay, 0.5. This is R1. This is R2. Radius of sphere is equal to 0.5 is nothing but what? 5 by 10. Correct? 5 ones are 5 twos are. Answer will be 1 by 2 centimeter. Correct? 1 by 2 centimeter is the radius of the sphere, single sphere. Okay, there are lead shots which are in the shape of spheres which were put into this vessel. After dropping, they will be due to the what? Principle of Archimedes, water will be flowing out. How much the volume of lead shot, that much of water will be flown out. Understood? Archimedes principle, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 0.5 centimeter are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water is flown out. How much? 1/4 of water flown out is equal to 1/4 of what? 1/4 of what? Cone, volume of cone. How much? 1/4 of the volume of cone water will be flown out. We need to find out number of lead shots. Number of lead shots is equal to question mark. After adding how much lead shot, there will be the 1/4 of the water flowing out of the vessel. कितने हमें लेड शॉट डालने के बाद 1/4 ऑफ द वाटर बाहर आएगा, वो हम फाइंड आउट करने का है. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ लेड शॉट्स टू बी एडेड इनटू दिस वेसल टू गेट 1/4 ऑफ द वाटर ऑफ द कोन. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. Number of lead shots added into the vessel is equal to volume of water flown out divided by volume of single lead shot. Volume of single lead shot. Look here. 100 lead shots, 1/4 of water, or 1000 lead shots, 1/4 of water. That means to find one lead shot volume, we need to divide total water divided by total number of lead shots is equal to 1 lead shot. Understood? But here they have given one lead shot volume. We need to find out how many lead shots. For example, if you take what, 100 rupee, and you'll be going to the market to buy bananas. Okay, bananas. For one banana the amount is 2 rupees. Correct? 2 rupees. Then how many bananas you will be buying? 50. Yes or no? One banana is equal to 2 rupees. 100 rupees is equal to how many bananas? 50. That means 100 divided by 2. Total volume divided by volume of one banana. Total amount divided by amount of one banana. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತದಾ? Total amount कितना है? 100. Total amount divided by amount of one banana. Same. Total water. Okay, volume of water flown out is nothing but what? 1/4 of volume of cone divided by volume of single lead shot. That is volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. This is equal to 1 divided by 4 into volume of cone. Formula 1 divided by 3 into pi r square h whole divided by volume of sphere. What is the volume of sphere? Formula 4 by 3. Correct? 4 by 3 ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Whole divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Correct? This is r1 or r2? This is r2. This is r1. Correct? Okay. Pi cancel. This is equal to 1 divided by 4 into 1 by 3 into r1 square. What is r1 here? This is r1? No. R1 is 5. 5 square means 5 into 5 into what is the height? 8 whole divided by 4 divided by 3 into r2 cube. 1 by 2 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 1 by 2. Correct? Okay. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Next 4 ones are 4 twos are. Correct? 5 fives are 25 twos are 50 divided by 3 whole divided by 3. Okay, 1 ones are 1 1 ones are 1 divided by 3 2 za 6. Division ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಓಕೆ 50 divided by 3 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ 6 divided by 1 3 1 za 3 2 za 52 za 100 is the number of lead shots. Done. Sixth question. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and the base diameter is 24 cm. There is a cylinder like pole. The height of the cylinder like pole is h is equal to 220 cm and the diameter is 24 cm. Yes or no? D is equal to 24 cm. Therefore the radius is 12 centimeter. Is surmounted by what? Is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter. Surmounted by another cylinder of height h is equal to 60 centimeter and the diameter is, do they give the diameter or radius? Radius of the second cylinder R is equal to 8 centimeter. Let us consider H1 R1 and H2 R2. Correct? What we need to find out? Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron, 1 centimeter cube of iron is approximately 8 grams. Then we need to find out total mass. Yes or no? Okay. We need to take pi value, that is 3.14. Okay. The total mass is nothing but what? Total volume. Total volume of the poles or the pole, single pole, is equal to volume of cylinder 1 plus volume of cylinder 2 or cylindrical shape of pole 1 pole 2. What is the volume of cylinder formula? Pi r square h r1 h1 plus pi r square h, that is r2 h2. What is the common thing here? Pi in bracket r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. This is equal to, what is pi value? 3.14. What is the radius here? R1 12 centimeter. Correct? 12 square into, what is the h1 value? 220 plus r2 8 centimeter, that is 8 square into h2 60. This is equal to 3.14 in bracket 12 12s are 144 into 220 plus 8 8s are 64 into 60. This is equal to 3.14 in bracket 22 4s are 88 carry 8, 22 4s are 88, 96 carry 9, 22 1s are 22 9, 31 single 0 plus 6 4s are 24 carry 2, 6 6s are 36 plus 2 38 1 0. This is equal to 3.14 in bracket 0 plus 0 0, 8 plus 4 12 carry 1. Okay, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 1 15 carry 1, then 1 plus 4 5 3. This is equal to 314 into 0 0, 314 into 2 628. Correct? Okay, 31 5s are 155, 1550, 1570, 1632, 1632. Okay, then 31 5s are 155, 1550, 1570, 1670, 670, 733, 733. Okay, 31 3s are 93, 930, 930 plus 942, 942, 1042, 1042, 1115, 1115. Check madri. Point. This is centimeter square. Yes or no? Centimeter cube. Multiply matter period. total volume is like nearly 11,153 point, sorry, BD 1,11,532.8 centimeter cube. This is the volume. Yes or no? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಕು, ಊರ್ದು ಕಥೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್. Correct? Pakka. Check it out again. Look here, the total volume, it is in the centimeter cube. We need to convert into gram. We need to convert into gram. 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many grams? 8 grams. This is equal to volume in grams, or the mass of iron pole. IP means iron pole is equal to 11,532.80 into centimeter cube is nothing but what? Centimeter cube is nothing but 8 gram. Okay, into 8. This is equal to multiplying 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 8s are 64, carry 6, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 22, 2 26, 2 42, 4 12, 1 9 8 892. Okay, this is in grams. We need to convert into kg. For that we need to divide by 1000. This is nothing but what? 892.2624 kg is the answer. Check it out. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and the radius is 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere. A cone is standing on hemisphere. A cone is standing on hemisphere. What is the height of the cone here? 120 centimeter. Height of the cone is 120 centimeter and the radius is 60 centimeter. R is equal to 60 centimeter. Then is placed upright in a cylindrical vessel. It is placed in a cylinder. This figure is placed in a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Okay, it is placed in a cylinder. Okay, next. It is placed upright in a circular cylinder full of water. Cylinder is full of water. Cylinder is full of water. Okay, if the vessel is having small hole at the bottom, then water will flow inside the vessel. Yes or no? Correct? After completely flowing inside the vessel, there will be some water left in the cylinder. We need to find out the left out water in the cylinder. Understood? Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅದ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀರು ಅದಾವ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೊಂದು ವೆಸಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ವೆಸಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಏನೈತಪ್ಪ? ಕೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಹೋಲ್ ಅದ, ವಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹೋಗೈತಿ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವಾಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಎದ್ರೊಳಗಪ್ಪ? ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಉಳಿತು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder. Volume of water left in cylinder is equal to question mark. Left in the cylinder. If the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter, what is the radius of the cylinder? R is equal to 60 centimeter. Then the total height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter. Total height H is equal to 180 centimeter. Consider this one as H1 and H2. H1 and H2. Correct? Okay. What is the solution here? How do you find out the solution? The total volume of water left in the cylinder. Correct? The volume of water left in the cylinder, yes or no, is equal to What is the formula here? Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. Correct? Look here. Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere. Correct? Let us take minus common here. What happens after taking minus common? It will become what? Plus. Correct? Yes or no? That means volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Understood? Okay. Then what is the formula for volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h minus volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Correct? Right. Then what is the h value for the cylinder? H2. Yes or no? Consider this one as H2, this one as H1. This is equal to pi r square is the common. Pi r square is the common, in which what is the remaining thing here? H2 minus another bracket 1 by 3. Okay. H1 plus 2 by 3 r, only r. Okay. This is equal to pi value. Do they given? No. 22 divided by 7. What is the radius? 60 centimeter. That means 60 into 60. In bracket, what is H2 value? 120 minus in bracket. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲ ವೇಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಓಕೆ H2 is equal to 180 minus flower bracket 1 by 3 into what is H1? 120 plus 2 by 3. What is R? 60. Flower bracket completed. Square bracket completed. 3 ones are 3 twos are 0 as it is. Then 3 ones are 3 fours are 0 as it is. Okay. This is equal to 6 6 are 36 2s are 72 carry 7. Correct? 36 2s are 72 plus 7 79 single 0 double 0 divided by 7 in bracket 180 minus 40 plus 2 into 2 sorry 20 into 2 40 plus 40 80. This is equal to 79200 into 180 minus 80 100 whole divided by 7. Correct? This is equal to 7 ones are 7 7 ones are 7 2 remaining 22 7 threes are 21 1 remaining 10 then 7 ones are 7 3 remaining 30 then 7 fours are 28 2 remaining 20 then 7 twos are 14 7 eights are 56 into 100. This is equal to 1131428 centimeter cube. Correct? You need to convert it into liters. Centimeter cube into meter cube. Meter cube is nothing but liter. Okay? To convert it into meter cube, we need to divide it by what? Look here. Whole divided by 11. Next. This is equal to, what is the answer? 1131428 centimeter cube is there, na? Cube means centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. To convert 1 centimeter into meter divided by 100. Correct? Divided by 100. 1 centimeter into meter divided by 100. Here how many centimeters are there? Centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. 3 times. 100 into 100 into 100. 3 times. is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. It will convert into meter cube. This is equal to 1.2.3.4.5.6. Okay, 1.131428 meter cube is the answer. This is the volume of water left in the cylinder. Question number 8, very important question. A spherical glass vessel has cylindrical neck. Consider one spherical glass vessel which is having what? Cylindrical neck. Correct? Okay. Cylindrical neck of 8 centimeter length. Length of the cylinder is nothing but what? Height of the cylinder. H is equal to 8 centimeter. Then 2 centimeter diameter. What is the diameter of the cylinder? D is equal to 2 centimeter. That means radius R is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. What is the diameter?
8.5.
Diameter is equal to 8.5 centimeter. What is the radius? 8.5 divided by 2. Consider this one as D1 R1, D2 R2 centimeter. Okay, next. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. There is a child, okay, who have been investigated the volume of water present in the spherical what? Vessel. What is that volume? 345 centimeter cube. We need to check whether this answer is right or wrong. Okay. To find that, they have given pi value. Pi value is 3.14. Okay. Total volume of water present in the vessel. Volume of water present in the vessel is equal to, what is the formula here? Volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. What is the formula for sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder pi r square h. Okay, sphere R2 value, cylinder is R1 value, height H is only. Okay, what is the common here? Pi in bracket 4 by 3 R2 cube plus R1 square H. What is pi value? 3.14. What is R2 value? Okay, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Okay, what is R2 value? 8.5 divided by 2. How many times? 2 times, huh? 8.5 divided by 2 into 8.5 divided by 2 plus what is R1 value? 1 centimeter cube. What is height? 8. This is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are cancelled. Correct? This is equal to 3.14 in bracket 5 5s are 25. After 8, what is the number? 9. 8 9s are 72 point into what is remaining here? 8.5 divided by 6 plus 8 ones are 8. This is equal to 3.14 in bracket divided by 6 divided by 1. 6 8s are 48 plus multiply 85 into 7225. 85 5s are 425 carry 42. 85 2s are 170. 170 212 21. 85 2s are 170. 170 plus 21 191 19. 8 7s are 56 560. 5 7s are 35 595. 595, 605, 614, 614, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 1 point, 2 point, and the third point here. Okay, after adding, what you will get? 3.14 in bracket 614, 48, 658, 662, 662.125 divided by 6. This is equal to 3.14 into this much divided by 6. First division ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3.14 into division ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲ. 6 1s 6, 6 1s 6, 2 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 0 ತೊಗೊತೀನಿ, 21 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅವಾಗ. 6 3s 18, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತದಪ್ಪ 3 32, 6 5s 30, 2 25, 6 4s 24. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 10. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1 ತೊಗೊತೀರಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತೊಗೋ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 314 into something. ಓಕೆ, 314 1s 314, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 31, 314. ಓಕೆ, 31 4s 124, 31 4s 124, 124 10. ದೆನ್ 4 4s 16. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡು, 16 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? 4 4s 16 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡು, 1256 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 31 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 31 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 87 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. 1287, 128 is the carry value. 31 5s 155, 1550, 1570, 1570, 1698, 1698. Next 31 3s 93, 930, 930, 942, 942, 1042, 1051, 1051, 1111. Okay, 1051, 1051, 1111, 111. Okay, 0 1 11 carry. Next 314, 325, 2 carry. 325 300 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತದು? 314, 325, 32 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 314, 346, 346.511,874 centimeter cube is the answer. But she had given the answer 345, but the actual answer is 346.5. So she gave approximately right answer, but not exact right answer. She made wrong calculations. Okay, write down.